Many elementary schools have reading lofts, which are a high fire risk. This video shows the effective use of Firefree 88 to prevent such fire liability. The test was conducted on June 21st at the Fire Training Center in Rome, Georgia. You will be viewing two identical loft tests side by side, conducted under the same exact conditions. The room on the left was coated with FF88 coating, while the room on the right was uncoated. The lofts were made of pine joist, 5/8 inch plywood subfloor, pine railing and 1/2 inch OSB skirts. The test is a comparison of two simulated school lofts, 6 foot square with a subfloor 4 foot above the floor. The fuel and ignition source is a 20-pound wood crib set in one corner of the room. The methodology used is similar to the room corner test per UL 1715 and Factory Mutual 4880, except that the fuel load was more severe than in an actual room corner test. The room corner test is the most stringent fire retardant test in the industry. This standard is a test method designed to evaluate a product's ability to prevent flame spread, smoke development, and room flashover. As you can see, in just over 1 minute, the fire in the loft on the right is spread across the whole ceiling, is completely out of control, and close to room flashover. On the other hand, the loft on the left, coated with FF88 coating, is completely contained with no evident flame spread. In less than 3 minutes, the uncoated loft has reached flashover, with a high probability for engulfing the classroom and setting the entire school on fire. The fire in the uncoated loft was so out of control that it had to be extinguished, while the fire in the coated loft on the left is still well contained to the rear corner of the room. The coated loft on the left is still intact. The fire completely contained with a very limited flame spread under the loft and no damage to the structure. As you can see, even after 15 minutes, the fire in the coated room remains well contained with no flame spread, no significant smoke developed, and no sign of room flashover.